Utaratra iyo wakandaracha iyo Nithi ndiyo kurigiro KURIIKA mucho iyo mwiri yo kuna mantu ya meru ra kurigiro ndechene ya CIBITARI rere kwe kwithira nende kinene yakwa bore kuringana na siezo wa barabara Kipchumba Murkomen nyuma ya Senator KATHURI Murungi wiki thina yunde ni ambunge na rais netrete NDAGACA na wira nebo kwa ilia ontubuke ndekinya kuni ya mitino ya raidhere kioneka Antonio Bonfils Mungera katoechio
na kwena wirigiro na werobune na boko kondara chenjere murojwa Nithi kweja gwitira macokejere minister ogende janthiguru ne Kenya Kipchumba Murkomen amune nkirete Senator Contemir bona KATHURI Murungi gukurukira kamiti ogende na miako ebunge Senate kirigi karorokirwa ntukwena arwa nyime kuthoma macokejere minister Murkomen clerk of committee.
And upon finalization of the design and preparation of the tender documents, Kenya will mobilize funds for construction of a new bridge at this location.
Senator KATHURI Murungi nacokire na kwira kiama kwina jenene yabo bamutethire kuthingatira nteto iji kumenyekana ukama kigina igitengi kia wakandara cheje.
If they attend the documents, it shows that they have already put some budget on this thing. So Chair, I want this committee to just follow up, let us know whether there is money put into this bridge.
Ende kithire na minister Murkomen nario wako kwa barabara enjero ire kethire kurukire iguru kana myunde ithire iguru wa barabara etithirwe ntere inge.
So the only solution is to redesign the bridge and remove it from that gap. So many accidents have occurred there, Mr. Chair, and I want this committee to make history and help us get a permanent solution. And your names will be printed on that new structure. Yeah? The following distinguished senators under the chairmanship of Kiambu Senator. These are the people who saved the entire Eastern region and Upper Eastern. Because that bridge serves all the way from Marsabit, Moyale, Isiolo, Gucokaniiria. Yeah? So the traffic flow is so.
Mashoke jange jantaire ya kujere Mr. Murkomen nkirite Senator KATHURI Murungi ija kwangerekano kongera ko bino ne bibara kana road signs wako ko CIBITARI ya kwirike thirigita baraba ketho baguraritwe amwa koromo kondaracha arangari sharuka.
Accidents and emergency center at Nithi bridge will not resolve this issue because accidents will happen, people will continue dying. It's not even about in fact, it's not about the deaths, property continue. And you know, we don't want to reduce ourselves to only praying. We must pray and work.
Some of the highest number of these safety installations already. The marking of the roads, I think there is those rumble strips on the road, warning signs after warning signs. The rumble strips already were there. So these are not short-term things.
In fact, I wonder what will happen the day that it will be now me driving, physically driving. It's a very scary, it's a very, very scary bridge to drive through. Very, very scary. DS, if I were you, and there's no advice from my brother, I would cause serious commotion around this bridge for money to be found.
Akiama na ibonania kujukira nteto jino ritobune ne mono na kwa bakethra betigira no terenge atumiri baba bare bakethra bekurukira ku peringaro no mutaraba.
So the question should be, is it in the budget? Because if you can get 500 million some there about, that redesigning of that bridge will resolve this issue.
I think it is our responsibility as a committee to ensure that the money is allocated for this particular purpose.
We were with the CS on Friday. There are statements he made innocently, which this committee will need to interrogate against the promises that he makes. He had made a statement to the effect that he doesn't have money, and so chances are that they will not be starting any new projects.
Corona kwatire mwaka muthiru mwizo mugwanja 34 baraba kamati basi modern coast ibatero turobwa ona bangi 10 patiga baguraritwe
Irangu anda bathingatira muno ni bona sawa designs kuthithwa by that first March ura minister witeke baruga lakini bete mbere zaidi bonethera kuri mbese chikiriku cha kwambiria gwakandagaca nontu minister na augire umantareki that first this financial year ikathira June ndagacekethire kwambiria gwakwa so nkwira kamiti na chairman wayo bete na mbere gutega nikenda bori kairi minister resources ingana chikirio imbeshi ngana chikiri no ntundagacha no utambiria gwakwa utira gatigati
na Senator Kontemirwa na Kathuri Morongi endrete gukubia rutere rungi na ru ministry ogeni na miako bagika mawirane na ndekire mukenyero okwithira tumira barabara ezi no rote no getekana kathari ngoge igwetera na kona nteto ikethira ithikare nke report ya Ntoshero TV kumaje krone bya bunge kengi na ngire kitwa Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.